Okay guys, we're going to do another recording this time, another graph description, the fourth one. This one is actually pretty good. Let's take a look. The three bar charts provided show the percentage of usage the internet by UK adults. Let's add an of here. Actually, it'd be better to do it this way. Percentage of internet usage by UK adults in 3 different years. Actually, that's not quite right because it also includes the present. So we need to add something. Let's see here. Let's take a look at our graph and see what we need to add. It's actually 4 different years. 1, 2, 3, and then it has the present. It doesn't specify the year. Let's do this. Plus another bar showing the present. We'll add a dash here. It can be clearly seen that the proportion of using the World Wide Web for both men and women is currently rising throughout the period. Let's just say rising throughout the period. Okay, the amounts of women using the internet have risen steeply over this time period. Amounts should be singular here. The amount of women, good. There were nearly 10% of female representatives in 1995, followed by a sharp growth by 30% of, let's say, a sharp growth of 30% in 2000. The number of women to have accessed the internet in 2000 rose rapidly by 15% to over 55% 5 years later. It seems like we're missing, or preposition is wrong here. I guess that's okay. The percentage of women who have used the web increases up to date. Let's say this is continuing to increase. There we go. Looks like we have a new paragraph here. Let's make it clearer. The number of men who have ever used the internet show similar trends. First, there was a rapid growth from 20% in 1995 to 50% in 2000. Then this amount of men using the web continued to increase slightly to 60% by 2005. Overall, the proportion of men who have accessed the internet rose gradually by 10% from 20% in 1995 to roughly 70% 10 years later. Let's say, and continuing up to the present. In conclusion, the quantity of men and women accessing the World Wide Web increased throughout the whole period, although the most significant rise occurred between 1995 and 2000. Today, both men and women parameters are almost the same. The word parameters is not exactly correct. Let's say statistics or percentages. Let's say today the statistics for both men and women are almost the same. Good. This was a pretty good graph description. We just had some minor changes, but it has all of the main points. It's well organized. It has clear paragraphs, clear topics in each paragraph, and overall it's quite good. Alright, we'll finish it here.